Ever wonder why your stomach growls? It's not just a sign of hunger. That rumbling sound, known as borborygmi, happens when your digestive system is at work. When you eat, your stomach churns food, mixing it with digestive juices. But even when you're not eating, your intestines are still moving, pushing air and fluids through. This can create those funny noises, especially when you're hungry. Your body is signaling that it's time to refuel. Stress can also play a role. When you're anxious, your gut can get a bit noisy too. So, next time your stomach growls, remember, it's just your body's way of saying, "Hey, I'm working hard here."